The internet was meant to be free, but today it's owned, controlled, weaponized.
Blood all over the parking lot. Doesn't look good.
Some very, very sketchy details reaching us here at Sky.
But what if we could fix it?
The internet is dying. Giant corporations control our conversations, our creativity, and freedom online. They profit off our data while we get nothing in return. But it doesn't need to be that way. Qortal is building a brand new internet, one that belongs to the people. Fully decentralized, censorship-proof, and truly free. Imagine a world where your data online is truly yours. Imagine a world where privacy isn't a privilege, but a right. One where your voice cannot be silenced online. That's the world we're building with Qortal, and it's happening right now. This is the Qortal blockchain. It is a new kind of internet, one that is not controlled by big tech, nor run on any corporate server. Instead, it's built to be fully peer-to-peer, where every single user is in full control of their data. At the heart of the Qortal ecosystem lives the Qortal Data Network, also known as QDN. The Qortal Data Network is a publishing layer that sits directly on top of the Qortal blockchain. It allows the hosting of websites, publishing of QApps, publishing of data to nodes across the globe, all without relying on any centralized services, cloud servers, or any intermediaries or middlemen. Everything you see right here is being run entirely by user-owned nodes. So that means no AWS servers, no Google, just peer-to-peer freedom. But a network needs energy to grow, and that's where QORT comes in. QORT is the coin that powers everything on the Qortal blockchain. From QApps to messaging, marketplaces to media, QORT fuels adoption, usage, and development of the Qortal ecosystem. Furthermore, it serves as a reward to the minters that validate transactions on Qortal, ensuring that the blockchain remains secure and permissionless. We're not here to fix the broken internet, we're here to replace it. Qortal has been live since 2020. It's not a white paper, it's not a pitch, it's an actual platform that's growing stronger every single day. So if you're tired of the corporate surveillance, the censorship, the control of big tech, all over the internet, then step out of the system, join the movement, join the builders, join Qortal.